Nung araw kasi usong-uso yung mga music fest. I miss that. Have you ever attended that? No? Hindi na kita tatanungin. Ha? You didn't know me? Okay, fine. Okay. You're out of the hook. No, but before, Raul, usong-uso noon yung mga music fest. You all know that I joined Asia Pacific Singing Contest, right? By the way, I'm still the reigning champion. Kasi pagkatapos ko, hininto na nila. Laki kasing gastos eh. Sabi nila, ihinto na natin itong katarataduhan. Total, puro Pilipino naman nananalo. Totoo. Talaga ba? Ay, hindi ko ito ako sa inyo dyan. Ako, eto na, kumapit kayo. Kumapit. Kasi nung nagre-rehearse, yung mga musicians, kasi karamihan ng mga orchestra, they're from the Philippines. Eh, nagkataon yung tatay ko, alam niyo naman si Man Jerry, parang chimney yun eh. Nagsisigarilyo, kasama niya yung mga orchestra. Tapos nagre-reklamo yung mga orchestra. Sino ba yung pinadala ng Philippines? Hindi ko naman Regine daw. Sino daw? Hindi ko kilala yan. Bakit hindi pinadala si Ivy Villan, si Dulce? Ang dami nating magagaling. Bakit yan? Parang bibili lang ng suka sa kanto. Ang gano'n, di ba? So, pasok yung tatay ko sa rehearsal. Tawag ng tatay ko sa akin, ate. So, mas matanda ako talaga sa kanya eh. Pag nag-rehearse ka, bigyan mo lang. Exact word, I promise you. Yun ang sabi niya talaga, bigyan mo lang. So, ha? Anong bigay? Hindi, basta, bigyan mo lang. Nakakatawa yung tatay ko, parang nagda-drugs lang. Kaya, parang, ano yung sabihin ng bigyan mo lang? Ano yung ibigay ko? Diba? Ganun siya. But, so anyway, I rehearsed, and medyo, kinanta ko yung You'll Never Walk Alone. So, binigay ko nga. Na-impress. Hindi na-impress. Na-impress. Yung musicians. Wow, diba? Pero sa totoo lang, laging Pilipino talaga nananalo. Sa mga, singing contest. Kaya nga, tinantanan na natin to. Puro sila din naman. Sila din. Same. Yan, yun na sila. But anyway, I got sidetracked because I thought that story was so funny. Yes, I recorded this album in 1993, I believe. And I had to tour Asia to promote it. And I wasn't just promoting the album, I was also promoting myself. And to tell you the truth, I had a hard time. I had a hard time going everywhere kasi medyo malakas pa yung discrimination nung time na yun eh. They kept telling me not to say that I am from the Philippines. Yeah, the record company would say, don't say that you're from the Philippines because Filipinas are known for mga, anong tawag doon? HD. Oo, HD. Mali pa ako. HD. Anong HD? Mark! Ano? DH. DH. Oo. Wala kasi akong script. Mga DH daw. Diba? Eh sa akin, that's an honorable job. These people would go to Hong Kong, to China, to Singapore, to send money here. So I was like, are you kidding me? So whenever there's a chance for me to say that I'm Filipino, I would really say it. I'm Filipino! Hindi talaga ako pumayag. I'm Filipino, and when I sing, I'm in tune. Kasi ng mga panahon na yun, hindi pa sila magaling eh. Ngayon, gumaling na sila eh. Siguro nakinig sa atin. Ay, sorry. Nasa bahay ko ba? Kwento lang naman. Anyway.